Welcome back and welcome to today's video. I'm here today with my wife Minami.
What's up?
And it's Saturday night here in Japan, so I thought we'd go for a little night drive and go to a service area and just cruise around on the highway. So yeah, we're just starting off here at the 7-Eleven, and then we're just going to jump on the highway in a few seconds, and I'll chuck the GoPro on a head mount and we'll show you the drive that way. Alright. What's up, Mana? Up the highway's free today. Alright, so first stop of the day, we're at Izumitsu PA, which is Izumitsu parking area, and just here with my car. And this place normally is a popular meeting spot for other young car guys. You can see a Mark II there, and a bunch of guys have shown up with their Civics and stuff like that. It's still like 9:30, so maybe some more people will show up, but I'm not sure. But for now, I'm gonna go get Mana a warm coffee.
Yes, please.
And we'll come back, see if more people have shown up, and then probably go cruise along on the highway for a bit more. Here we go. We've just come to the other side of the parking area, and we've found a whole bunch of vending machines. So we've got the regular drinks, then these like cup coffees and teas and stuff, hot cup ramen, and ice creams. I wanted an ice cream, but it's like a bit too cold for it now, so I think I'm gonna pass. And what are you thinking, Mana? What is it like?
Some vanilla ice cream and some colorful choco milk.
That's good.
Ninki flavor.
Ninki flavor, popular flavor. All right, what are you gonna have? Do you want an ice cream or a coffee?
Cocoa.
Cocoa? You want to? No, we wait.
お、見て、もうそんなのない。
Ooh,
絶対ジョーダン好
I'm
き。
gonna try that in summer.
あ、これはジョーダンのおすすめ。
Oh, here she is.
はい。無理、ほんまに無理、暑い。ほんまに暑い。
Too hot.
うん。
Go, Mana! This bridge is pretty cool because there's like a stand and windows and stuff all along here. So at night you can come and watch the cars all come along and have a look at the seaside. Probably better at the day for looking out at the sea.
お、すごいね。
Pretty cool, eh?
Not for me, but
Not for you.
yeah, for you guys.
I'm going to take this quick moment here while I'm at the parking area to just quickly give you guys an update on what's been happening with the car, since it hasn't really been active in the videos recently as I've been doing car checks with Jesse and Yota. But since that last Mayhan day, I kind of ran into like a lot of issues. So I'll open up the bonnet and talk about a few things. Got Mana in here enjoying a hot chocolate.
I didn't drink.
Still didn't drink it. So first off, I'll just get this open. We had that misfire issue you saw at the end of the Mayhan day I went to, and it was kind of a combination of things. There was earth on from the engine, like off the engine block, which was loose, so I tightened that up. And in the fuel tank, it was like super rusted. So I went ahead and changed the fuel pump to a brand new one, the fuel filter and the sock on the fuel pump too. So that's all new, and put a new tank in it and drained the fuel out of it. And my new tank also came with a baffle system, like a drop-in baffle. So I shouldn't have to worry about too much like fuel surging and stuff like that. Also, I found my OMP harness wiring had actually cut and ripped, so I've repaired that. So that the earths, and there was a whole bunch of oil leaking too, and it was coming from around the feeds for the oil cooler and the oil feed for the turbo where the copper washers are. Because when I put this engine together, I kind of just replaced it because I was kind of doing it on the cheap, and I was like, oh, they don't look too bad, hopefully I can get away with it, and I couldn't. So that's kind of the major things that were wrong with it. Apart from that, I've gone ahead and upgraded some things. So there's a few things different on the engine bay. Let me know in the comments and tell me if you can guess what's different or missing compared to the last video. But yeah, in preparation for the knuckles, which I'm still working on at the moment, I made like a type 1, but they weren't quite right. So I'm making a few small adjustments to get them how I want it. But I've gone ahead and put some rack ends in here. And what are you doing? And I've also changed the diff out for a 2-way. So I filmed a bunch of that, so I might chuck it in here or put another video up or I don't know, or just do this video. But yeah, it's got a 2-way in it, which is also why I'm trying to drive it around a bit to wear in the diff. But yeah, basically what I'm waiting on for this car is for me to finish the knuckles, which is taking a while because I don't have any power where I am, so I have to borrow power from somewhere where I can't get access to all the time. What are you doing, Mana? Let's see if you drank it yet. Did you drink it yet?
Yeah.
How is it?
美味しいです。
Oishii desu. But yeah, so basically just waiting on myself to get the knuckles done, and knuckles, and I need to order tires too. So pretty much those two things, and kind of keep driving it around as much as I can just to find problems come up. Like if you drive it around every day, you're gonna find a lot more like regular things that go wrong with it. So I don't know, I'm just trying to iron out all the bugs. I don't know if you guys can see her, but first time on camera and she's loving it. So yeah, slowly but surely getting this car more and more sorted out, and yeah, hopefully set it up properly and get some good driving clips in, either sometime this month or next month. I really want to get up to the circuit. So there hasn't really been many more cars that have shown up, so we're going to go check one more parking area and cruise along the highway, and then probably call it for a night. There was a GTR and a Ferrari that just turned up. Other than that,